In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Asana and get started with your workspace. Whether you're on a computer or using the mobile app, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it with a few practical tips along the way. First, head to the official Asana login page in your browser, or open the Asana app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're on mobile, it helps to have the latest version of the app installed so everything runs smoothly. Next, enter the email address associated with your Asana account. If you use Asana through your company or a team, this is typically your work email. Double check for typos and be mindful of autofill selecting an old address. Using the correct email ensures you'll see the right workspaces and projects after you sign in. Now, choose your login method. You can sign in with a password or continue with Google or Microsoft if your account is set up that way. Pick the option that matches how you originally joined Asana. If you're using Google or Microsoft, you'll be redirected to that provider to confirm your account. If you're using a password, make sure caps lock isn't on and that you're entering the most recent password you set. If you're asked to complete a verification step, go ahead and do that. This might be a two-factor authentication code, a prompt from your identity provider, or a magic link sent to your email. Keep your phone nearby, check your inbox and spam folder if needed, and remember that verification codes usually expire quickly. For security, don't share these codes with anyone. After you're verified, you may be prompted to select the workspace or organization you want to enter. If you're a member of multiple teams or companies, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one you need right now. If you only belong to one, Asana will open it automatically. You can always switch later from the top bar or account menu. You're in. From here, start using your projects, tasks, and inbox. Open your projects list to view teamwork, check my tasks to see what's assigned to you, and visit inbox to review updates, comments, and due date changes. As you navigate, you can favorite important projects for quick access, use search to find tasks fast, and keep an eye on notifications so nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. You've logged in, selected the right workspace, and you're ready to work efficiently in Asana.